Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of high-performance networking with the Zyxel WBE660S Wi-Fi 7 access point. This sleek, powerful device promises to revolutionize your wireless connectivity with its cutting-edge features. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First impressions matter, and the WBE660S doesn't disappoint. It sports a modern, oblong shape with a sturdy metal back that doubles as a heatsink. At 1.4 kilograms, it's hefty but well built, showcasing Zyxel's attention to durability and cooling efficiency. The unit's dimensions and mounting options make it versatile for various installation needs. Setting up the WBE660S is straightforward, especially if you're familiar with Zyxel's ecosystem. Using their mobile app or Nebula portal, you can configure the access point quickly, aided by a QR code on the device itself. Whether wall-mounted or ceiling-mounted, the installation process is smooth and well supported. Now, let's talk performance. Equipped with Wi-Fi 7 technology, including a 6 GHz band, the WBE660S boasts an impressive aggregated bandwidth of over 22 gigabits per second. This translates to blazing fast speeds and minimal latency. Ideal for bandwidth-intensive tasks like 8K streaming or enterprise-level applications. During our tests, we observed consistent, high-speed connectivity even at longer distances, thanks to its robust signal strength. Digging deeper into its features, the WBE660S impresses with its triple radio system. It supports up to 8 SSIDs and can handle over 1,000 simultaneous clients, making it suitable for large-scale deployments. The inclusion of a 10 gigabits Ethernet port with PoE adds flexibility and power efficiency, while the additional 1 gigabit Ethernet port turns it into a versatile network hub. In comparison to other Wi-Fi 7 access points like the Ubiquiti U7 Pro, the WBE660S stands out with its superior throughput and broader feature set. While it may be pricier, the investment in cutting-edge technology pays off for users prioritizing performance and scalability. To wrap it up, the Zyxel WBE660S Wi-Fi 7 access point is a standout choice for those seeking uncompromising speed and reliability in their wireless network. Whether you're upgrading your home setup or enhancing a business network, its robust performance and feature-rich design make it a worthy investment. Just be prepared for its premium price and physical size. That concludes our review of the Zyxel WBE660S. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.